จริงเป็นเต็มนักเรียนก็กัดเขียดที่ไปได้บัดCOVID-19 มันtak kesini had new tarik September hajar aku hadu si beje mensini ikis ki batamai ki bangyo menta ki long sispa ndre kuai East Garo Hills are East Jainta Hills are Hufra East Khasi Hills Shispa San are naki armed forces paramilitary forces but Shispa Lai nak way Ribhoi district Khandai Southwest Khasi Hills Iway West Garo Hills Khatar Nriu naki armed forces paramilitary forces but Nriu naki way West Khasi Hills Iway Southwest Garo Hills Lai Kis kiba long active hadu menta kesini kilong si hajar Khandai spa Prakula but nakini si hajar lai spa khat Khandai kidon hapo East Khasi Hills aspa sapusan gede ni armed forces paramilitary forces but si hajar new pusal na kiway West Khasi Hills Khadlai Southwest Khasi Hills Sun Ribhoi Shispa Ndre Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces South New but Nakiway Shispa Khandai West Jainta Hills Tipo East Jainta Hills Aspa Ndre Kusan West Garo Hills Shispa Ndre Ko Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces New Ko but Nakiway Khandai Ko Southwest Garo Hills South Garo Hills Khatra Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces London Kiway Khatra East Garo Hills Sam North Garo Hills Khra Case ki bala recover mentakasi bilang Nyo Fufrangon pada gini Nyo Fufra life Nyo bidai badan hapo East Khasi Hills Iway the armed force paramilitary force but life and real kidi nagi North Garo Hills Lai Ribhoi Lai Southwest Khasi Hills Iway West Garo Hills Arf Khandai Iway nagi armed forces paramilitary forces but Afra nagi way West Jainta Hills Southwest Garo Hills Iway baru kita belajar kabar mentah kilong hajar laispa sabu but kita kelat na mentah kilong hadu lai kuai ngot ngot kelat menemit apa East Khasi Hills kisah pun kita mengifates hadu baje menski mentah sini Kilong silap Nyo hajar Sanspa Nyo kuai Kibalong negatif nang ni Nagini kilong Borok Belum lang silap hajar Laispa Sabufra Ki result Dan ki report ki banginang Hadu arbaji bantarsu Kilong kumbang Raspa Ndre Nyo But Kibril Kibarong Sipo Kajelah Rajuni Hadu Arbaji Menski Mentak Singi Kilong Life Nyo Hajar South Pa South Kusam Mentak Singi Kilong Kumne Shispa Ndre Fuway Ngot East Khasi Hills Shispa San But nakini Armed Forces Paramilitary Forces Kilong High risk contacts, life who are health worker Iway, returning Sun, Jail Road Cluster R, Jalupara Cluster South, Keating Road Cluster Cutway, Laban Cluster Lai, Molpuram Cluster Ndriel, Normanson Cluster Show, Pre-Rizal Cluster Krat, Rajbavan Cluster Khatar, Rilbong cluster Iway, Renja cluster Sun, but Umlinka cluster Lai. East Jaintia Hills, Atufra, Gini Gini Star Cement cluster. West Garo Hills, Ka'ar, Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, Rail, High Risk South, Returnee Ribhoi, Kandai, Barokidi High Risk, East Garo Hills R, the returnees, Southwest Garo Hills Line, High Risk the Way, returnees R, West Khasi Hills Way, the head worker, but Southwest Khasi Hills Way, Naki Way. Terima kasih.